think if I were to answer that technically, it's because of transactions. But if I put that more holistically, it's because of relationships, which are transaction in essence as well. And I think it's the great benefit and privilege I have is to interact with so many inspiring people. I think this is what gets me up in the morning, and this is what drives me, and this is why it's relevant to be in that space. I think one of the biggest threat that already materializes today is that the financial industry has been contemplating for way too long how the future ecosystem in finance will look like. How do incumbents in the future remain and stay relevant? And I think looking at other industries, other ecosystems, it is more likely than not that somebody else from outside the financial industry will answer that question for us. And that's very unfortunate because that will then drive us to reacting instead of acting and designing. I think relating to technology in general, I think it's all about hyper. It is either hyper domination or it is hyper focus. I think if you're caught in between, I think this is going to be the alley of death for your business model, and you're not going to survive in there. So whatever you do, you either have the muscle and the potential to scale fast, to dominate the client journey, or you go niche and you really try to be as niche as you can relative to whomever you consider to be within or outside of the industry a competitor, and find your network where niche plays a relevant role so that you can compete against the domination or the hyperscaling on the other side of the equation. But don't try to stay in the middle. It's not going to work.